What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Future Rev, your home for the deepest dives into the most groundbreaking cars on the planet. If you're into next-level automotive tech, elite performance, and honest expert breakdowns, you're exactly where you need to be. Now let's get into it, because this one has been a long time coming. What if I told you that one of the most iconic American luxury sedans just came roaring back? And this time it came back bigger, bolder, and more powerful than anything Chrysler has ever built before. No, seriously, every full-size luxury sedan manufacturer is sitting up straight right now. Because the 2027 Chrysler 300C just made its return, and it arrived with something to prove to the entire automotive world. The king of American luxury is back, and it is absolutely ready to reclaim its throne. Chrysler has officially pulled the cover off the 2027 300C. And this is not the 300C you remember from before. This is a completely reimagined, full-size luxury sedan that combines old-school American presence with next-generation technology and performance in a way that feels genuinely fresh and exciting. This is the 300C rebuilt for a new generation of luxury car buyers. First, the exterior. And Chrysler absolutely delivered something special here. The 2027 300C wears a bold and commanding redesigned body with a wider aggressive stance, a dramatic new front fascia with a signature illuminated grille, sharp full-width LED lighting front and rear, and sculpted body lines that flow beautifully from front to back. The overall silhouette is longer, lower, and more athletic than ever before, while still carrying that unmistakable 300C presence and authority that made this car legendary in the first place. Now the performance, and Chrysler made sure the 2027 300C backs up its bold looks with serious power. Under the hood sits a twin-turbocharged 3.0L straight-six hybrid powertrain, producing 550 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. It launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds with a top speed of 165 miles per hour. A fully electric variant is also available, delivering 400 miles of range and instant torque that makes this big luxury sedan feel surprisingly athletic in every driving situation. On the technology front, the 2027 300C introduces Chrysler's all-new *LuxDrive AI system, featuring Level 2 autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, automated lane centering, and a 360-degree surround camera system. The brand new 12.3-inch curved OLED touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, and over-the-air update capability keep this car connected and current at all times. Step inside, and the 300C delivers a genuine luxury experience that punches well above its price point. Premium Napa leather seating, real wood and chrome trim accents, a 19-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system, massaging front seats, and a panoramic sunroof create an interior atmosphere that rivals sedans costing significantly more. This cabin is warm, welcoming, and genuinely impressive in every way. Stacker it against the Dodge Charger, Genesis G90, and Cadillac CT5, and the 2027 300C holds its ground with confidence and style. The Genesis G90 offers more refinement, but the 300C wins on presence and raw character. The Cadillac CT5 is more driver-focused, but the 300C delivers superior interior space and comfort. For buyers who want bold American luxury with real-world performance, the 300C makes a genuinely compelling case at every price point. Starting price lands around $52,000, with fully loaded 300C Platinum trims pushing past $74,000. Fuel efficiency on the hybrid sits at approximately 26 mpg combined, while the electric variant transforms the ownership economics entirely. Annual maintenance runs approximately $800 to $200, making it one of the best value luxury sedans available in America today. Long-term resale holds steady, and the ownership experience is both rewarding and surprisingly affordable. The 2027 Chrysler 300C is not just a comeback. It is a reminder that bold, beautiful, and powerful American luxury never really went away. Drop a comment below. What feature impressed you the most? Would you choose the 300C over a Genesis or Cadillac? Let us know what you think. And if you want more breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to Future Rev and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on everything you need to know about next-gen vehicles. See you in the next one.